Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your assets with FreshBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your assets using FreshBooks, start by creating an account. Visit the FreshBooks website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Navigate to the Settings section to customize your account preferences. Set up your profile by entering your business details. Add your business logo to enhance brand recognition. Next, connect your bank account to streamline tracking your finances. Go to the Invoices tab to create your first invoice. Fill in the client details, including their name and email address. Include a clear description of the services provided. Set due dates and payment terms to ensure timely payment. After your invoice is created, send it directly through the platform. To keep track of your expenses, head to the Expenses tab. Record all business-related expenses to maintain accurate financial records. Use the Reports feature to generate financial statements. Review your cash flow, profit, and loss statements regularly. This data will help identify any financial trends or issues. Set reminders for bills and invoices to manage cash flow. Consider integrating FreshBooks with other accounting software for added functionality. Utilize the time tracking tool if you provide billable hours. Regularly back up your data within the FreshBooks platform for added security. Lastly, stay compliant with local tax regulations by consulting with a financial advisor. By following these steps, you'll effectively use FreshBooks to protect and manage your assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.